Hi guys, I'm so sorry I've been off for a while. There's just been some things going on, but yeah, I'm back now. So I'm going to be doing a house tour, and I've done a new family because my house is like reset. So this is a bunny. Her name is Carly. So yeah, pet number 1. This is the teen's room. She's 14, preppy, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, now let's go downstairs. By the way, this is a Sunday night. I'm going to be doing a Sunday night roleplay, and then I'm going to be doing a school roleplay. So, yeah. Oops, sorry, I didn't put in the right sentences. This is Gigi, pet number 2, and this is Ivy. She's 4. This is like the hallway. This is the baby's room. It's probably my favorite room. I just love this little section right here. I love a section right here because like it's just so cute. Yeah, and the baby, the little boy's name is Evi, and he's a month old, at least. And this is the bathroom. Also, we just moved, so yeah, that's why it's kind of empty. From the last. Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, I kept the family from the last one, so sorry about that. And this is the parents' room. Judy's bed, and at the end of this week, we're gonna be going on a ski trip to Italy for 1.5 weeks with our sister. So yeah. Oh, oops, go downstairs. I don't know how, but upstairs it doesn't say delete to create space or the house is full, but then downstairs where there's less decorations, it says it. Okay. Like, it says it, but it doesn't, I don't get it. So this is the front area. It's quite empty, sorry about that. So this is like me. I just had C-section, that's why I'm like in my pajamas and stuff. So yeah. This is the laundry area. I've never even knew this canal, but I just added it when I saw it. And I don't know how to get the beige pack because it's not working, but so I don't have that pack. So yes, the fridge. And then the kitchen. I just kept the outside quite empty because like kids naturally bring toys outside and like there's barbecues over time. So yeah.